Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be exploring the SSL Indicator, a technical analysis tool that many traders rely on for clear market signals. You will discover how this indicator identifies trend changes, generates precise entries and exit points, and enhance your trading strategy. Stay until the end to learn how to implement this indicator effectively and transform your approach to market analysis. What is the SSL channel indicator? This indicator is also known as the semaphoric signal level channel, a technical analysis tool designed to identify the trend direction and potential reversal points in the market. This indicator consists of two lines that follow price movement, typically colored differently to distinguish between the bullish and the bearish signal. And its core, the SSL channel works by calculating two moving averages, one based on higher prices and the other on lower price. When this line cross over, the signal of a potential change in market direction that the trader can use to make an informed decision. What makes this SSL channel particularly valuable is its simplicity. Unlike other complex indicators with multiple variables, the SSL presents clear visual signs that even beginning traders can interpret. This indicator effectively filters out market noise, allowing you to focus on genuine trend changes rather than minor fluctuation, as we can see in the chart showing us how it's following price, and we can see that at some point we see some crossover signaling a change in the direction of the chart. The SSL channel can be applied to any time frame and any market, whether you are trading the forex pair, cryptocurrencies or traditional stocks. This versatility makes it essential and an addition to your technical analysis toolkit, regardless of your trading style or your preferred market. Let's see how we can implement this trading strategy. Now that we understand what the SSL channel is, let's develop a complete trading strategy around it. This approach has been refined through extensive market testing and provides a structured framework for your trading decision. The foundation of this strategy is remarkably straightforward. You would focus on crossovers between two SSL channel lines as your primary signal. For a long position, enter the market when the SSL upline crosses above the SSL downline, as you can see in this area. We enter a buying position when we see the SSL upline, which is this green line, crosses above the red line. This signals a potential uptrend, while conversely we enter a short position when the SSL downline crosses below the SSL up line, as we can see on the chart. When the SSS upline crosses below the SSS downline, you enter a short position indicating a downtrend, as you can see from my chart here. What makes this strategy particularly effective is that it provides both entries and exit points. When you are in a long position and you see the crossover in the opposite direction when the down crosses above the up, this serves as your exit point. So if I'm to enter this position when I see a crossover and I put my stop loss, I'm to exit this position the moment I see another crossover. Once I see another crossover is a sign that I should leave and exit my trading position. For optimal trading results, always wait for the candle to close before acting on the signal. So if I want to enter this trade, I have to wait for the candle to close after I see my signal before I enter my trade. We can also enter when price come back to retest the region or come back to retest the channel before you enter your trade. Let's not forget, position sizing is crucial for this strategy. I recommend risking no more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on any single trade. This conservative approach ensures you can withstand an inevitable amount of losses during significant trade that may damage your account. To further enhance your SSL strategy, you can add a confirmation filter. A simple moving average, a simple 200 moving average works best along with this signal. When price is above the 200 moving average and you see your trading signal, you see your crossover and price come back to retest, it is a more valid reason for you to take that trade. So you can decide to only take trade, you can only decide to take buy trade when price is above your 200 moving average, and you can also decide to take only sell trades when price is below your 200 EMA. So this is further helping you to filter out some decision making when taking this trade, and it will help you to significantly improve your win rate by keeping you aligned with the broader market trend. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.